Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Kraken, click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Transferring Bitcoin to a wallet where you control the private keys increases security because on exchanges you do not control the private keys and there is a risk of hacking or other security breaches. Now moving a Bitcoin to a hardware wallet such as this Kraken, it significantly reduces the risk of theft, right? And if you plan to hold Bitcoin for an extended period, transferring it to a personal wallet can provide peace of mind knowing it's stored securely offline. Now, the first thing you need to do from once you are here on the Kraken dashboard, now I need you to click on the withdraw option. Just wait for a little bit to load. Now, if you get this error, you need to complete the verification to withdraw for you to be able to utilize all the Kraken features. Now, you can also try using the Kraken app on your mobile device. Now, once you are on the mobile device, just choose the crypto that you wanted to transfer. And that's going to be obviously Bitcoin, right? Let's click on Bitcoin. And this is going to be some information about for you to be able to transfer the Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. Just make sure that you read all the information here before you start the transaction and click on buy because we're going to transfer that to another wallet. Now, if you receive another verify your identity, even though you already done that, you might want to contact the Kraken customer support for you to be able to get some troubleshooting steps or guidelines to skip this and utilize all the features, right? Now, from your account here, I need you to click on the account, click on the support center. You can also chat with the bot. Click on the contact support. Just wait for it a little bit. And you can type in your message. How to transfer. And you are having problem. And see, there's going to be an answer. Then just follow the troubleshooting steps and guidelines from the Kraken support staff for you to be able to successfully transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.